Hello and welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to study the equation of a line in a general form. Okay, what previously we have studied is equation of a line. If y-intercept is given and a slope is given, this is the equation of a line. This c is y-intercept and this m is the slope of the line. If x-intercept is given, then we can write my plus c1. This is the x-intercept, this is the slope of the line. Okay, and slope intercept form. Okay, this is slope intercept form. Now x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. This is the x intercept and y intercept is given. Then this is x intercept, this is y intercept. Then the equation of the straight line is like this. Okay, if 2 points are given, to us, then you how to find the equation of a line? First you need to find the slope. How to find the slope? Slope will be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This will be the slope, and you take any one point and y minus that point. Suppose this is y0. Suppose this point is given x0 y0. Okay, and this will be some x minus x0. This is the equation of the straight line. If 2 point is given to us, then what you have to do is you need to find the slope, then take any one point and you put in this formula. This is the equation of the line, straight line. And another thing is we have discussed this is the right angle triangle. Suppose we are drawn a perpendicular from this is a b c. We have drawn a perpendicular from b to a c. Suppose this is o and this distance is given, and this normal has a like executed one angle theta with respect to this BC. Then the formula of this straight line? This straight line will be x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to the distance. If the distance is from p, then this is equal to p distance. Okay, this is the thing that we have studied in the previous classes. But in these classes we are going to look at like this equation of a line in the general form. You can see here the equation of a line will be like this. This is general form: ax plus by plus c equal to c. This is the equation of a line in a general form. What we have studied in the previous classes, these are the special cases. If something is given to us, then how the equation will be of the straight line. But this is the general form of the straight line. Okay, these are called coefficient of x, this is called coefficient of y, and this is some constant. So what is the general form of this equation? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the equation of a straight line. Suppose you can see here, first we will look at this case 1. So here suppose a is equal to 0 but b is equal to not 0. But what is our equation? Ax plus by equal to 0, right? But a is equal to 0 but b is not equal to 0. It means this term will vanish because some 0 into x plus b into y is equal to what? This is plus c equal to 0. Okay, so by plus c will be equal to 0. So these things will be by is equal to this c. If it goes to right hand side, it is going to be negative c. Then y is equal to minus c by b. If y is equal to c by b, what does it mean? It means, you see here, suppose this is a rectangular coordinate like plane. Then you see, if y is equal to minus c by b, it means this is y axis, right? And this is x axis. Then y is equal to minus c by b means downward. It is a negative, right? So minus c by b, suppose here it is. This will be minus c by b. So this is minus c by b. So this will be what? This line will be parallel to x axis. Okay. Similarly, we can discuss for the case 2. In this case 2, if v equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0, then what? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right? So what is that meaning? But a is not equal to 0 but b is equal to 0. It means ax plus c will be 0. That means x will be minus c by a. X will be minus c by a. So minus c by a means, suppose this is the rectangular coordinate plane, minus x is equal to minus 0. It means here, suppose here it is. So this will be parallel to the x-axis. Okay. Now, if a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0, then ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So can I write like this? By is equal to minus c. Now, can I bring this minus c to what? Left hand side, so that it will get divided with each term of this left hand side. So it is going to be ax divided by minus c plus by divided by minus c equal to 1, right? Then can I write like this? Minus c divided by a plus y divided by minus c divided by b is equal to 1. So this is going to be what? Intercept format. We have studied intercept format as x plus a divided by y by b is equal to 1. This is the if x-intercept and y-intercept is given to us, then this is the format. But here, what is the intercept? Minus c by a, and y is equal to minus c by b. So the equation, the line will be look like this. Here it is. Because this is the negative side of y, this is the negative side of x. So because this x-intercept is negative, so suppose this will be minus c by a, and this will be minus c by b. So this is the equation of line. Okay. Similarly, we can discuss so many things. Now let's check how to reduce the equation of a straight line from the general form to a normal form. So we have studied what is the equation of a line in general form: ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, this is the general form. The general form. And what is the equation of a line in normal form? X cos alpha plus y cos alpha is equal to p, right? So this is the normal form. Suppose these two equations represent the same line. Then you see here ax plus by. If I'm going to just keep this equal as it is, and I'm going to bring this p to left hand side. So here, can I write like this? Cos alpha x plus cos alpha, sorry, this is cos, this is sine. Okay, sine alpha, this is sine alpha into y minus p equal to 0. Now you compare the coefficients of x. You see here, this is the x, y, see, x, y, this one. Now if you are going to compare, this is going to be a by cos alpha is equal to b by sine alpha is equal to c by minus p. Okay, this will be the comparison. So I'm going to take one case like this and another case like this I will take. Okay, so can I write a divided by cos alpha is equal to c divided by minus p? So this cos alpha will become minus ap divided by c. Similarly, if I am going to take the other case, b by sine alpha, this will be c divided by minus p. So sine alpha will become minus bp divided by c. Okay, now we know that cos square alpha plus sine square alpha is equal to 1, right? So here we have cos alpha, here we have sine alpha. So minus ap by 0 whole square plus minus bp by 0 whole square is equal to 1, right? So a square p square plus b square p square is equal to c square. It is going to be here c square is common. So now if I'm going to take the common p square, then it is going to be a square plus b square is equal to c square. Now p square will be equal to c square divided by a square plus b square. then P will be divided equal to what? Plus or minus C divided by A square plus B square. Okay, this will be the P, but P is a length. Since P is a length, so we cannot take the negative. Okay, so we need to ignore the negative, so it is only positive. Okay, I think we have understood this one now. So we have found what is a P. So can I write what is a cos alpha? Here P is given. You see, check here. Here is equal to P is given. P is, we have found the what is P, and you replace the value of P here. So that we will get like this. So that we will get cos alpha will be equal to minus A P divided by C, right? But what is P? P exactly this one. So minus A, what is P? P is equal to C divided by under square root A square plus B square divided by C. So the C will cancel out. So the answer will be minus A divided by A square plus B square. Similarly, you can get for sine alpha. So you will get for sine alpha is equal to minus B divided by under square root A square plus B square. Now, if I'm going to write the formula, what is normal form? X cos alpha plus Y sine alpha is equal to P, right? Then what is cos alpha? Cos alpha is this one. So now you replace this cos alpha by this one, which we have written minus A under square root A square plus B square X minus, what is B? Sorry, minus Y A square plus B square. This is equal to Y is equal to P. What is P? P is equal to this one, C divided by A square plus B square. So if I'm going to take the LCM both from each and every side, then it's going to be X plus B, Y plus C equal to 0. Okay, now we know. So if a equation is given to us, suppose you see here, suppose the equation of this straight line is given to us. Now we can, suppose the general form is X plus BY plus C equal to 0. Then we can find what is the distance of this straight line from the origin. Distance means the perpendicular distance, that is called the distance. So this P will be equal to this C divided by A square plus B square. Okay, we know how to calculate this formula. Okay, I think I must stop here, and I will do one more video for the rest of the topic, because if I'm going to make the entire chapter in one video, it is going to be so lengthy, and you won't be able to find yourself to watch this. Okay, so thank you, and if you have liked this video, please do share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and thank you. Bye bye.